Привет! My name is Connor. I'm a sophomore English major, Russian minor from South Carolina, and today I'm going to be showing y'all around the Russian house. Before I get started on that, I'm going to give you a little bit of information on what the language houses actually are. So we've got 5 of them. There's Russian, German, French, Chinese, and Spanish. They all look pretty similar on the inside. They've got pretty similar layouts, except for Spanish house. One thing that all of the language houses share in common is that they all have a language scholar living in them. So a language scholar is going to be a native speaker of the language. They'll help put on cultural and language-based events. They'll host classes once a week. They'll do office hours, conversation hours, grade homework, that kind of thing. They're a really great resource for keeping yourself in touch with the language and culture that you're studying. One other important thing to note about the language houses is that they are available for all returning students to apply to live in them. So after your freshman year, you're able to live in the language houses. So this is what Russian house looks like from the outside. My room is the one in the middle with the blinds open. There's my bike in the bike rack. This is the kitchen. It's just like the kitchen in sort of a regular house. We've got a nice dining room table. This is the living room. This is where we host a lot of different events. We do movie nights every Monday. Go upstairs. Here's the bathroom. It's a little bit different than the bathrooms in most other dorms because it's just a single user bathroom like the kind that you might have in your house. Here's my room. I got my little sign on the door. Our HA Natasha made all of us little signs with characters from Russian cartoons. Welcome to my room. So under the stairs here, I've got my little kitchen area. I've got like my fridge, some of these little plastic drawers. Here's a mirror. My room just had this mirror in it when I moved in. I don't know if all of the rooms do, but at least some of them have got it. Over here is my desk. It's got this really cool bookshelf attachment to it. Over here I've got my big pile of books for class. And then up here are my books. I've got my little whiteboard over here where I'm planning out a paper for my English class. Here's the bed. I've got a really nice view of Woodstock out of my windows. Sometimes I like to just lay on the bed and like people watch. Here's my little drawers over here. They actually come apart in the middle, so if you want to have 2 short sets of drawers and put them under the bed or something, you can do that. Over here is the closet. Now we're gonna go upstairs into the coolest part of my room, which is the loft. So not all language houses have lofts in them, but in Russian house on the 2nd floor, all of the rooms have this really cool bonus space up here. I've made mine into a little sitting area. Over here is another bookshelf. This is the one that came with my room. I've got my flag collection, some cool plates, more books. I've got some pillows and blankets and a little stuffed animal that my best friend back home made for me for just like a cozy space. I've got my prized IKEA chair that I built with this really, really nice soft blanket. Over here, I've got my little cart thing, also from IKEA. I've got a record player, which I got at an antique store on Selwood. And I've also got these really cool lights up here. Ta-da! And here's a view of my room from the top. I will simply say that is it. I hope that you enjoyed my room tour. Пока!